Okay, so now we're going to do a thing called Missing Mondays, and the whole point behind this is to go into your grade book, which you already have set up. Go into your grade book, and you're going to put zeros for anything that has not been done up to this point. So, for example, well, here I'll just show you. All right, so for ELA, math, and phonics, remember we have to come down here. So I'm going to come into mine. So you'll go in here and you need to go to gradebook, I think. We'll see. I might have to backtrack on this. Yeah, this is where you need to go. So I'm going to move this down just a little bit. So first of all, do you see up here where it says, like it says the units, and then it'll be unit 1, lesson 12. That's what that means. Unit 2, lesson 10, etc. Okay, so this is literally the first time I've been in here, and I'm just noticing that, oh my God, my kids aren't doing their work. But anyway, whatever. So, I will explain to you later how you get these lessons and know exactly what to do. Until then, like know exactly what to put as zero. But until then, I'm just going to show you how to do it. I'll show you how to find it later, but right now we'll just look at this. All right, so you, for ELA, up to this point, they should have done, this point meaning Monday morning. So, like, from the beginning of school up until basically Sunday night, which is tonight. So Monday morning when you come in, you always do this. This is going to be something you're going to have to get the hang of, okay? So, and I get it that you're doing this on Tuesday this week, but really it's called Missing Mondays, okay? So they should have done, for ELA, they should have done Unit 1, Lesson 12. So you can see that Coraline has not done that, so I'm going to enter a 0. Kyson did it. Gabriel has not. Cernite has not. Luis has not, etc., etc. And so you're going to go all the way down and only mark it in that Unit 1, Lesson 12, all the way down. When you're done, come over here and press Save. I'm not going to do it because it's Sunday and I don't want to do that yet. Give me a second because I have to go back and fix this. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that. You won't want to cancel, just do that. All right, so I want to go back. Give me just a second. So there's ELA. For math, same thing. Come down here to math, to gradebook. For math, they need to have Unit 1, Lesson 6 done. So we can't do anything for math, apparently. Hold on. I just need to make sure I'm looking at this the right way. Yeah, we can't do anything for math because we're not there yet. Okay. Wait for it. Phonics, I'm trying to make sure I'm going to cover everything, so you can fast forward if you need to. All right, so for phonics, they need to have done a Unit 3, Lesson 2. So if you come over here, we have not hit Unit 3, Lesson 5 yet, so this one would be null and void, but they should have for sure done Unit 1, Unit 2, all that stuff. So like this one, for example, that would get a 0, okay? Come down here, they're all done, you kind of get what I'm saying. There's a 0. Okay, I'm going to erase that because I don't want to save that just yet. All right, so then the next part, I promise I'm almost done. So that's ELA, math, and phonics, and so then you've got to do the rest of them. So the rest of those, you have to come up to your overall class, do classroom management, and then you find them. You've already done math, ELA, phonics, now you've got to do science. So come over here, do gradebook. I'm not going to do all these, I promise. For science, oh crap. Okay, so for science, there's none for this week. Social study, oh crap. Social studies, they should have done Unit 1, Lesson 2. So we're not here yet, so there's nothing to put there. Okay, so then you just save it and that's it. Basically, and then you just do that all the way down. You do it for all of the subjects. So like right now, there's not a ton to do, but every Monday it's gonna get even more and more, okay?